Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and refreshing agua fresca. It's a mango passion fruit juice that I know that you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, mangoes, passion fruit pulp that of course you could find in the freezer section of your supermarket, water and ice. This is everything we need for this refreshing and delicious agua fresca. So let's get started. I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have my saucepan here. I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar and half a cup of water. Let's take it to the stove and start dissolving our granulated sugar. It really doesn't take too long. When it starts getting nice and hot, you still see on the bottom of the saucepan the granulated sugar. In a couple minutes, you'll start seeing the water getting nice, cloudy, and a little yellow. That's completely normal. And just a few minutes later, it's gonna get real nice and see-through, real clear, just like that. We're gonna remove it and put it aside. I have my mangoes here. I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse them out, just like this. Once they are nice and rinsed, let's go to the working table, where we're gonna go ahead and start peeling our mangoes. I want to go ahead and cut the edges of the mango first so that the mango is more stable. And now I am ready to start peeling very carefully so I don't get too much of the pulp out. And now I'm just gonna start slicing it and cutting it in very little cubes, just like that. You want to make sure that you cut them in small little cubes because this is going to be the decoration of our pitcher. You know something? The mango will release all the delicious flavor in the liquid. That's why you want to really cut it in really tiny little pieces, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it to this plate. And here I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of the passion fruit pulp. I'm just adding just a couple of them here, and I'm just gonna mix it around and just put it aside and have it ready. So when I need it, it's ready for me. So let me put it aside and let me show you from close up how the passion fruit pulp looks. When you buy it from the supermarket, there will be no seeds at all, but these are organic. These are from my vine here at home. So that's why I have the pulp still with the seeds. Okay, now I am ready to add the passion fruit pulp here to my blender cup. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of water, and we're going to go ahead and blend it. To tell you the truth, it just takes a couple seconds. Just like that. You don't want to blend it too much. You just want to blend it just for 2 seconds. After this is done, we're going to go ahead and put it through a sifter and just move it around until we get all the delicious juice out. And of course, these seeds are the ones we don't want in our agua fresca. I have the pinch of salt here. The pinch of salt really brings up the flavors of the fruit. And now I have my simple syrup. I'm only using half of the simple syrup. Remember that the sugar and the simple syrup is to taste. I'm adding just a little more of water. And now I am ready to taste it to see how it came out. Perfect. I don't need to add anything else. I'm going to go ahead and put it aside, and I'm going to start adding a couple of tablespoons to the bottom of my pitcher. And of course, I'm going to start adding some ice. Remember, the more ice you add, the more refreshing this drink will be. I'm just going to continue adding the mango and the passion fruit and ice until I am completely done. And now I am ready to add the juice of the passion fruit right into my pitcher. Look at this. This looks amazing, and I am sure that it tastes delicious. I'm just gonna go ahead, mix it around, incorporate everything. And you know something? I am completely ready. I can't wait to taste it. Let me show you how this looks. You could see the little pieces of the mango, the decoration of a passion fruit right in the center. And this looks amazing. And of course, I have my glass here, and I am ready to pour myself some juice. Completely ready for the presentation and ready to enjoy this delicious and refreshing mango passion fruit. So I'll see you back in a little bit. Completely done with this delicious mango passion fruit. You know something? It looks amazing. And this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It looks beautiful, and I'm sure that it tastes refreshing. Excuse me. You know something? The passion fruit and the combination with the mango is just perfection. And when you make these delicious agua frescas with love, everything comes out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious and refreshing recipe, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious mango passion fruit. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.